In this video, I will describe end of the semester Canvas tips for students. It is important to take advantage of all of the Canvas features during the semester and at the end of the semester. Check your grades throughout the semester and know your class percentage before the final exam. Click the Canvas course, click Grades, the column on the left, scroll to the bottom of the screen. You can see the total class percentage, and you can see that these are the total points that the student obtained divided by the total points of the course. Make sure that you add all the points that you obtained on all of the assignments and divide by the total points of the class. This ensures that the grades are calculated properly in Canvas. So what you want to do is add all the points in the score column, which are the points you obtained, and divide that by the points that are in the course, the total points in the course. And that is all of these points, the out of column, which is the denominator in this fraction. If a grade is missing and you know that you turned in the assignment, send your professor a message. Click Inbox, click the pencil icon, select the course, type the recipient's name, enter the subject, type a message. This is a sample message. Good morning, Professor. Can you please tell me why I did not receive points for the assignment? The assignment was turned in before the due date. Thank you, and include your name. Make sure that you state the name of the assignment. It is best not to send the professor messages after 5 p.m. It may also be beneficial to contact Canvas technical support and ask them if there is a way to receive written confirmation that the assignment was submitted. You can always present the assignment confirmation to your professor, and maybe your grade will change. View the Canvas announcements and messages. So click Announcements here, and to view messages, click the inbox. Your professor may have provided vital end of the semester information, such as extra credit opportunities, a final exam study guide, or final exam tips. Check your email several days a week to ensure that you do not miss vital course information. You can also calculate the number of points that you need to obtain on the final exam to achieve your goal grade in the course. So now I'm in Student View. I'm going to go to Grades. And I want to show you the formula for determining the percentage that you would obtain in the course if you received a certain grade on the final exam. If the final exam is worth 10 points and you obtain 7 points on the final exam, you would obtain a 67% of the course. So it is total course points obtained plus final exam points. So that is a guess because you do not know what your final exam grade will be. That is divided by the total points in the course, which includes the points on all of the assignments and the points on the final exam. You can see here, 23 are the points that were obtained, plus 7, that's a guess, so it's 7 out of 10 points. This could be 8, 9, or 10, or even lower. Divided by 35, those are the points obtained on all the assignments, plus the 10 points for the final exam. So that's 30 out of 45, which is about 67%. If the person obtained a higher grade on the final exam, the percentage would be higher. All of that information is here. So you can see 23, those are the total points. 35, those are the total points in the course. So 23, the total points that the student actually obtained, divided by the total points in the course. So these are going to be different when you determine your percentage when you obtain a particular grade on the final exam. View your Canvas grades 3 to 4 days after you take the final exam to determine your final exam grade, total course points, and the course percentage. Overall, it is important to thoroughly view Canvas and ensure that you have obtained points for your hard work. This will ensure that you obtain your goal grade in the course.